Hello there, and welcome to section 4 of the Appmint tutorial series. In this particular section, we are going to be having our hands-on exploration Appmint, where we are going to be having a practical section on how Appmint actually works. So that means if you have skipped section 1 to section 3, so this might be a good time to go back and check the series of the sections, as what we have been learning theoretically in the previous sections, we are going to be having the practical section now. So now when you get to the AppMint homepage, we are going to log into your dashboard, which is the AppMint dashboard. So I'm going to click on login now. So if I've not logged in before, it's going to prompt me to ask for my username and password. But because I'm already logged in, that's why I'm getting this notification that you're already signed in. So, and it's asking me if I want to go to the home page or I want to go to my profile. So in this case, I'm going to click on my profile. So when I click on my profile, I'm going to be having this dashboard, which is the dashboard that was mentioned in, which is the dashboard that we talked about in section 2. So now what we want to do first is that we want to create our first project using Appmint. And to do that, I'm going to go to site, which you can see from here. So I'm going to click on site. And when you click on site, it's going to bring this part where you can see. So I already have a website that I've created before, but I'm going to, for the purpose of this particular series, I'm going to walk us through on creating a new site. So in the top right corner of this section, you are going to see something that says create a new site. So then you click on create a new site. And when you click on create a new site, it's going to bring up the template page. That is where you are going to select the template that you want to use for your website. Now, this part is very interesting because this is actually where you get to decide how you want your website to be. So depending on the website that you want to be, so for instance, if you want to build a storefront that was earlier mentioned in one of the core components of Appmint, which is an e-commerce website, all you have to do is click on storefront and it's going to filter the templates to select to show you only storefront template. So in this case, I'm going to just pick any template, but in your case, you can just check any template that suits what you want to build. So whether you want to build a portfolio, you want to build an e-commerce, you want to build a landing page or a business website. So all you have to do is just to browse through the collections of awesome templates that is on this page and select the one that you want to use. So I'm going to check through to see the one that I can choose. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to click on this one. And the beautiful thing about it is that before you even start using the template, you can click on live preview to see how it actually looks like. So now let's say I want to use this particular template to build my website. So I'm going to click on live preview to see how it actually looks like before I use it on my website. So now let's check the preview of the website that I use and that I wanted to use. So this is the template of the website that I want to use, and it's actually called Appmint. So I have the navigation bar that is here by the top left corner. You have the logo, the navigation menu, and the social icons. Then I have this build your audience and sell more. I have the form that allows people to take a free try. I have the company story, what we do, and other details for the template. So if I like this particular template, I'm going to come down to the tab where I select it from. So this is the part that I want to use. So I've clicked on live preview. So, and this preview. So presently we have 83 create sites, that is about 83 websites that might have used this particular template. And the tax is that this particular template is for SaaS, that is, it's best used for software as a service, business owner, or for startup. So if I'm going to use this template, if I want to use the template, so all I have to do is to click on create site. And if I do not want to use this template right now, but I actually like the template, maybe I want to use it for my later project, so I can just click on this favorite and it's going to add it. So now the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to click on create site. That is, I want to create my website used based on the particular templates. Now it's going to bring this particular page, and it's going to ask for my email. So I'm going to enter my email, and then after you're done entering your email, then you click the check mark sign. So the basic reason for asking for your email is that This particular website that you are trying to create is going to have been having a lot of options. For instance, you'll be able to add CRM, be able to add CMS, be able to add the AI chatbots, be able to add the storefront, and so many beautiful and awesome things. So the reason for asking this is to enable it to generate the details that you'll be using to access this website directly. So now I get a notification that a six-digit code has been sent to my email. So I'm just going to check my email to check for the code. I'm going to enter the code, and now I've entered the code and it has been verified. Then the next part that you're going to add is the site name. That is the name that you want the website to be. So in this case, this is going to be something like the link for the website. So I'm going to, since this is a practical section, we are going to be using a name called my first Appmint website. So in this case, you can just give it as first Appmint website. And then I'm going to click on this. Okay, so the reason why this create site was not working before was because of this sign that is in between there. So you need to add the text all together. So if I do this, now you have this that it's showing. So I have first admin website, and I'm going to click on create site. So the first, now the process is being done underneath. We have the validating email and site name, creating site infrastructuring, deploying site, which is still pending, resolving domain name, turned in. Then you have the rest of the configuration which is going to be done automatically. So you just need to wait for Appmint to do its magic, and the website is going to be very live. So now our website is live, and you have congratulations, we created your website, and the details are as follows. We have the link as the first Appmint website.appmint.app. That is, if I should visit this link now, I'm going to see the live website of my of the website that I just created. And you have the direct link. If you want to start editing and customizing your website, you have this direct link that you can access. And if you want to connect a domain name, which is a custom domain name, that is for the advanced part, you do not need to bother about that for now. You have this. Then now from here, you have the if you want to log into your website, you have the credential that is here. You have the org ID, which is called first Appmint website. You have the email, which is this, and you have the password is going to be auto-generated there. So I highly recommend that you write these details somewhere else and keep them safe, as this is the login details that you are going to be using to access your website. Of course, you have two ways that you can log in to access your project. You can either log in from your dashboard, which is from the Appmint dashboard, or you can log in using this credential. So once you are done with this, then I would like to say congratulations for successfully creating your first website, and now we are good to go on the first step. So now let's log into our new website and see how it actually looks like. And so there are two ways to log into your website. So you have this direct link that you can see from this page. When I click on it, it's going to take me to the place where you are going to be able to edit your website. Or alternatively, you can simply visit appmint.io, and when you log into your dashboard, you are going to see you are going to be able to log in directly to your dashboard. This is our website. So that means if you should visit this link, first Appmint website.appmint.app, you are going to see the website. So this is the website being loaded by. You can see the link, first Appmint website.appmint.app. I have the logo that is there. I have the navigation bar, the social icon, and I have details. So everything as it is on the template is now being imported directly on my website. And the beautiful thing about this is that everything from the very top to the end of this website, I actually have the ability there and the capacity using Appmint to edit all of them. So I'm going to now log into the dashboard so that we can also see the next part. So in the next video, we're going to see how we can navigate to the CMS part of this particular website and be able to create a post on it. So see you in the next video.